Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. In your daily update on Bitcoin, we had a bit of a flush yesterday. If you watch my videos, you would have been prepared, alright, that something like this could happen. But it's very minor, alright. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, you'll see that we had a bit of a spike down. But in the end, the 200 EMA still was respected on the 1 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame, we respected the 50 EMA. So purely technically, we are still very, very bullish right here. And if you look at the funding rate, which is one of the main drivers behind the flush, if you look at that, that's also, it has normalized a little bit, I would say, but it's still, yeah, I mean, the funding rate for Bitcoin is fine, but as most of you know, altcoins suffered a little bit more. I mean, this is Bitcoin. And if you look at Ethereum, for example, Ethereum was fine at least. It's dropping down a little bit right now, but it's also at resistance. And the total 3 really dropped down, and it's dropping down again. So altcoins are suffering a bit here. Now, like I said, if you watch my videos, you would have been prepared for that. All right, because basically what's been happening over the last week is that the funding rates across the board have spiked up. All right, so you can see it's better now. So I think right now altcoins are actually still fine. Maybe a little bit more of bearish momentum, but overall I think they're still fine. But yeah, I mean, yeah, this is what you can see right now. It was very over leveraged, a little bit less so right now. So what does that mean for Bitcoin? It means that Bitcoin right now is actually still very bullish. Technically it's bullish, like I said. And then what's also happening, and that's something I think we need to talk about, is that the ETF inflows are pretty good. All right, so what that means is that at least for Bitcoin, we have a steady flow of capital being brought into Bitcoin every single day, or at least most days. So that obviously, if you have a certain buying pressure every single day, the amount you can actually spike down and the amount that you'll actually drag down a bit or retrace, that will be limited. So I do think, I still think technically we're in the same situation. There's still quite a lot of leverage in the markets. So there's a possibility Bitcoin will drop down lower towards this level right here, the main support level between 48,000 and 49,200. That possibility is still there because technically I still think the situation is the same as yesterday. And that is that we're in this consolidation between 52,500 and 51,200, I would say. And one of those levels is going to break. And which one of those is going to break first will determine what's next. And I would actually say, I mean, if you look at Bitcoin right now, even though it's not very leveraged, which is a good thing, if you look at Bitcoin right now, I would also not say that it's very bullish. I mean, you can see that we still had some if my mouse works, you can still see that we had some big position closures. So, and we don't have a lot of momentum. So for now, I still think that we'll kind of stay consolidated down here. I actually don't think we'll get that bearish breakout right now, even though we're at the bottom of the range. I think it's most likely that we're actually going to be able to hold that level, but be prepared, all right? I mean, at some point of time, my mouse is working absolutely, it's absolutely not working. At some point of time, we're going to get that breakout. I would say take it a little bit further, all right? So if we break down below 51,000, that would signal that we will that we'll get a bit of a bigger breakdown down to 50,000 or 49,200 at least. But if we can actually break above 52,500 and hold it differently from what we did yesterday afternoon, then we're still going for 54,000, 55,000, because like I said, fundamentally I still think that Bitcoin, and technically as well, by the way, I still think we're very bullish. So that's what you need to know for today, I think. I won't spend any time on economic events. I don't think it matters that much, but that's, yeah, I mean, we might have a look at it when we actually get some big economic events. Down in the description and the pinned comments, you can let me know if you still have any questions regarding something. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group. Very valuable, but that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.